This levee comes but once a year. The time is now. The place is here. You'll all agree that we've had plenty of the old year, 2020. Today, we start our lives anew. Just watch us. See what we can do. Last year, we only just survived. But this year, we shall grow and thrive. Our mayor and council perform best when challenged by improvement tests. This year, 2021, we'll see amazing projects done. We shall regain our reputation as a tourist destination. With students, schools shall be replete, and sports teams shall again compete. For all these reasons, I now state this new year will be really great. God save the Queen.
Happy New Year, residents of Petrolia. It is my pleasure to bring you greetings on behalf of Council to wish you all the very best in 2021. I am excited to be here today to share the excitement about what the future holds for Petrolia. Although we have been standing together while staying 6 feet apart for the last several months, I am looking forward with positivity that we will be able to gather again when it is safe to do so. When we can, we will. I could not be more grateful for our community, our long-term care and nursing homes, our medical and emergency services, our businesses, our volunteers, and our staff. The way that you have all worked together to maintain the health, wellness, and strength of our community throughout 2020 can only be described as incredible. Thank you to the Petrolia Heritage Advisory Committee for virtually hosting this event this year. And it is my pleasure at this time to introduce Mr. Marty Dillon, Heritage Representative. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Martin Dillon from the Petrolia Heritage Committee. For many years, the Heritage Committee has hosted the New Year's Levee at Victoria Hall. Ordinarily, the Mayor and Town Council would be on hand along with senior staff and area dignitaries to meet citizens from Petrolia and the area. There would be hors d'oeuvres and refreshments and displays. The reception has always been well attended and a great day to kick off the new year and for reflection. However, this year things are a little different. The pandemic has changed many things and the way we do them. I think most people will not be sad to see 2020 go, and with high hopes, we look forward to 2021 for better things. Many of us spent Christmas with loved ones and people that we care about missing because of travel concerns. Hopefully we can continue to look out for one another and care for one another in the new year. Petrolia does have an edge, however, that is the greatest town anywhere. From the Petrolia Heritage Committee, I would like to wish everyone a blessed and happy new year. And now I'd like to introduce Jane Anima.
Hi, I'm Jane Anima. I have the honor and privilege of being the fund administrator for the Petrolia Community Fund, which has been around since 2012. It started with a $30 donation that's sitting on approximately $300,000. What it does is on an annual basis, it engages with the community, finds out what community needs are, and we give back grants based on the income that our fund earns. This year that represents $10,500. There's about 6 different local agencies that will be receiving money as a result of the hard work of the Petrolia Community Fund Board of Directors, who you'll see shortly. So thanks so much for caring about your community by being part of the Community Fund. It does make a difference. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Nancy Keys, and I'm representing the Lambton Young Theatre Players. And we are delighted to receive this donation today, very generous donation from the Petrolia Community Fund. And it's going to go a long way to helping the Lambton Young Theatre Players maintain basic operations and kickstart us into our new season, which we're hoping will be in the fall with the long-awaited Robin Hood. At any rate, we are delighted. This is very, very helpful for us, and we're very much appreciative. Hi, I'm Tracy Taylor. I'm the General Manager of the Petrolia YMCA, and I would like to thank the Petrolia Community Foundation for the generous donation. We will be using the funds to purchase a bench for our playground that was recently installed at the Petrolia Y. And the only thing that is missing is a bench for the parents to sit down, relax, socialize while they're supervising their children who are playing on the playground, which is very widely used with our members and also people from the community. So thank you. The parents of our children will thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Laurel May. I'm a representative from Queenie to Petrolia, and we're very thankful and appreciative for a check for a fridge for our school for our milk program. We have about 55 students daily who use the milk program when it is in operation. Due to COVID, it's not going on right now. And right now the fridge that we have is not working and we need 2 of them, so this will be great for our program. We have weekly deliveries of milk, and this way we will be set and safe. Thank you very much.
Yes, my name is Mark BRAET. I'm a member of the local hospital foundation. And I want to thank the Petrolia Foundation for the generous donation to our hospital foundation. With it, we were purchasing a blanket warmer, which anyone that has ever had to spend time in the hospital, it would be nice to be covered with warm blankets at any given time. I'd also like to welcome anyone to purchase a Dream Home Lottery ticket this year, the largest fundraiser that's going for our local hospital. We all want to see it last a lifetime. Thank you.
My name is Matt House. I am Wyoming Minor Ball President, and on behalf of the organization, I would like to thank the Petrolia Community Fund for their donation to our association. The money will be put towards purchasing uniforms for our close to 400 kids in the program, so it's greatly appreciated for your donation.
Hi, my name is Stacey Williams. I am the co-chair of Acol Hillcrest School Council. And we would like to say thank you to the Petrolia Community Fund for our very first donation towards a new playground in the primary division, in the intermediate division, sorry. We realized about a year ago that we would need to start fundraising, and unfortunately it was very quickly put on hold. So we are very, very grateful to have this opportunity to apply for this grant and receive this grant. So thank you very much.
Here we go. And when you're ready.
Hi, I'm ERIN from the Parents for Parks.
And I'm Emily DENHAM-WEED from Parents for Parks. And we want to extend our greatest thank you to the Petrolia Community Fund for this check today. We are feeling certainly very Petrolia proud, and we are so excited to add some funds into this account and hopefully get this park built as soon as possible.